It's baking out here. We should go for a swim. People are so fascinated with like, what would you do if you lost it all? I don't know if that's because people lost it all and they trying to get it back. You know, it's like, if that's you, I feel, you know, my bad, I feel you because I've been there. Or are they worried about losing it all and if they'll be able to get it back? Like, I don't know why people are fascinated with that question, you know, but I think the first thing to understand is once you have had it, you can get it back. I think that's just first and foremost. Like, if you did something once, you could do it again. I think that's the first thing to understand. And I think once you understand that, at least for me, it removes the thought of like, can I do this? Before you make $1 million, for example, you're like, can I make $1 million? Once you make it once, it's not like, can I? It's like, oh, I've done it. How do I do it again? So it's different when you move from can I to like, I know I can, I've done it once. Like, how do I do it in either the new environment where the interest rates are high, interest rates are low, whatever. So I think there's two ways to answer, like, if you lost it all, what would you do again? There's like broke Jason, and then there's like rich Jason. And I don't mean broke and rich money-wise. I mean broke or rich, like mindset-wise. So like, if I lost it all and I was broke mindset-wise and broke resource-wise, okay? How would I get it all back? It's a simple formula. Getting rich is a simple plan. The problem is most people can't follow a simple plan because it's boring. They want excitement. So it's a simple formula. I would write down everybody I owe or everything I owe, find a way to live below my means. I would find a way to live off whatever hourly wage I had, and then I would either have quote unquote the infamous side hustle, or I would work in a commission sales job. And so a side hustle could be, I don't like to say driving Uber and stuff like that as a side hustle, because you can only work so many hours in the day or drive so many hours in the day. But I would side hustle like I get a real estate license, because I can sell 2 or 3 houses and then make like, you know, if I'm making like 4,000 or 5,000 commission on 3 houses, I can sell 3 houses in a month working weekends. I just boom, threw up $12,000. I'll be back in the stock market in 30 days with 12 grand. Well, you know, depending on how long it take me to get my license. Something like that, you know what I'm saying, that people aren't thinking about. Like, people be like, oh, I drive around the garage sales. It's like, well, how much money you gonna make driving around the garage sale looking for like Beanie Babies that people forgot about that you can put on eBay? Like, you can't really count on that, you know what I'm saying? So like, I would get into real estate, sell some houses, try to get some big commissions, something that can give me big money quickly that'll make a difference. And then I'll take that money, probably put it right back in the stock market, or use it to pay down my debt, get debt free, then get back in the stock market. But I probably wouldn't pay down my debt. I'd probably just get back in the stock market or doing something where I can leverage that money to make more money immediately. So like, that's like broke, no resources. Real estate license costs you about $100 or something to take the course, pass it, maybe $65 for a pre-licensing class, look on Groupon. Then there's like rich from a mindset and rich from a resource standpoint. If I lost everything, I have resources. I'm connected to people who have money. I know how to market on YouTube. I know how to run Facebook ads. I know how to run Google ads. I know how to shoot video. I could become a coach or a consultant for people who want to start their own stock trading business, because I can teach them how to build one, what software to use, what platform, how to get customers. I could also get into internet marketing and teach people I could go to local businesses and say, I can teach you how to build a YouTube channel, how to build your Instagram. I could become their social media marketer maybe, I don't know. I could probably go to at least 10 of my friends and ask for $100,000 and be like, I'm starting a new investment account, and probably raise $1 million. Now, somebody might say, why won't you do that right now? Well, you don't want to tap that resource until you need it. That's my fallback plan if I lost it all. If I didn't lose it all right now, I just want to work with my own money, my own resources, right? But technically, I have a reputation of producing, so I could tap some people and be like, y'all want to get in on this fund? Perhaps some would say yes, perhaps some would say no. Maybe, you know, but my point is, those resources know I've done it before, I've created something before, so there'll be a certain amount that'd be like, let's go. I believe in this guy. I know what he can produce, and I think I can get you this type of return. So that's what I'm saying. If you broke, no resources, not broke for money, but broke, no resources, no real knowledge of business, marketing, go get a real estate license, something like that. But if you're rich with resources and experience and knowledge, again, I could sell the knowledge. I could sell what not to do to lose it all. I could even sell, follow me as I build it back, you know, pay $5 a month or $20 a month to watch as I rebuild my empire from losing it all, right? So like, there's so many things that you can do. People get so focused on one industry, one thing. Get focused on having the knowledge, the reputation, and the resources of being a producer that can produce no matter what. So now, stop worrying about losing it all and go out there and get it all.